90 days from now. Your life will either look exactly the same or completely different. And the scary part? It's not luck. It's not talent. It's not where you were born. It's what you decide right now. Because most people, they don't fail because they're incapable. They fail because they never fully commit. They try. They stop. They restart. They doubt. And before they know it, another 90 days is gone. Same habits, same mindset, same life. But what if, this time, you went all in? No distractions, no excuses, no plan B. Just 90 days of pure focus. Because listen carefully, you don't need a year. You don't need someday. You need 90 days, or nothing changes. Let's be honest. You already know what to do. Wake up earlier. Work on yourself. Stay consistent. Stop wasting time. You know it, but you don't do it. And it's not because you're lazy. It's because you're comfortable. Comfortable in distraction. Comfortable in excuses. Comfortable in, I'll start tomorrow. And comfort is the most dangerous place to be, because it feels safe, but it's slowly destroying your future. Every day you delay, you're not standing still, you're falling behind, while someone else is putting in the work you keep avoiding. And in 90 days, that gap becomes impossible to ignore. So here's the moment. The line in the sand. The decision that changes everything. You either keep living like this, or you disappear for 90 days. Not physically, but mentally. You cut off the noise. You stop explaining your plans. You stop looking for validation. And you go to war with your old self. Because the person you are right now cannot create the life you want. That version of you has to go. And for the next 90 days, you build someone new. Someone disciplined. Someone focused. Someone dangerous with their time. This is where most people mess up. They get motivated, but they don't have a system. So here's your blueprint. Rule number 1, control your mornings. Wake up early, no phone, no distractions. You win the morning, you win the day. Rule number 2, do the hard thing first. Not later, not when you feel like it. First, because discipline isn't built at night. It's built when you don't feel like starting. Rule number 3, eliminate distractions. Social media, limit it. Toxic environments, cut them off. Time wasters, gone. This is not forever. It's 90 days. Rule number 4, track everything. Your habits, your progress, your effort. Because what gets measured gets improved. And most importantly, rule number 5, no 0 days. You don't have to be perfect, but you cannot quit. Even on your worst days, you show up. Imagine this. 90 days from now, you wake up and you don't recognize your old life anymore. Your habits changed. Your mindset changed. Your confidence on another level. People start asking, what happened to you? And the answer is simple. You stopped playing small. You stopped waiting. You stopped making excuses. And you chose discipline over comfort. Growth over fear. Action over delay. But here's the truth. That version of you, It already exists. You just haven't met them yet. And the only thing standing between you and that person is 90 days. So the question is, will you commit? Or will you stay the same? Because 90 days from now, the time will pass anyway. And you'll either thank yourself or regret not starting today. So start now. No more waiting. No more excuses. 90 days or nothing. The 90-day war with yourself. Let me tell you something no one talks about. These 90 days, they're not going to be easy. There will be days you feel unstoppable, and days you question everything. Days you wake up motivated, and days you don't even want to get out of bed. That's the part people don't show you. The silent battles. The moments where it's just you and your excuses. And in those moments, no one is coming to push you. No one is coming to save you. It's just you deciding who you're going to be. Around day 20, maybe day 30, you're going to hit a wall. The excitement fades. The motivation disappears. And all that's left is discipline. This is where most people quit. Not because they can't continue, but because it's no longer exciting. It becomes routine, repetitive, boring. And that's exactly why it works. Because success isn't built on hype. It's built on consistency. Doing the same things over and over again until they change you. Somewhere along the way, something changes. You stop forcing it. You stop negotiating with yourself. You stop saying, "I'll do it later." Because now, this is who you are. You're no longer trying to be disciplined. You are disciplined. You're no longer chasing focus. You are focused. And that's the real transformation. Not just what you do, but who you become. So here's your final challenge. Not 7 days, not 30 days, 90 days. No excuses, no shortcuts, no quitting. You owe this to yourself, to the person you could become, if you just stayed consistent. Because the truth is, most people will hear this, feel motivated, and do nothing. But you're different. You're still here, which means something inside you is ready to change. So don't waste this moment. Don't close this video and go back to your old habits. Start now. Day 1. Right now. Because 90 days from now, you'll either meet a stronger version of yourself or the same person with the same regrets. The choice is yours. If you're committing to the 90 days, comment, "No excuses, 90 days," and come back to this video every time you feel like quitting. Because this is where it starts. Not tomorrow, not next week, right here, right now. This moment is the line between who you were and who you're about to become. Because once you make this decision, there's no going back to the old you. The one who procrastinates, the one who doubts, the one who starts and stops. That version of you ends today. For the next 90 days, you show up, tired or not, motivated or not, ready or not. You show up. Because this isn't about motivation anymore. This is about identity. This is about becoming the person who does what they said they would do, no matter what. And when those 90 days are over, you won't just look different. You'll think different. You'll move different. You'll be different. So don't break this promise. Not this time. Because 90 days from now, you're going to meet yourself.
And when you do, make sure it's someone you're proud of.
Day 1 starts now.